Hello dear students, today I am going to explain about anatomy of frog in the respiratory system. You know that frogs belongs to the class Amphibia. In these animals, skin act as a aquatic respiratory organ. Means when frog near to that, it has a skin will be useful. That's the reason the skin of frog always it's a moisture. Because of moistureness only that exchange of gases takes place. Because of what no, that whole skin is supplied with the very small blood vessels. Due to the small blood capillaries, the atmosphere what the oxygen is there, which is have a high tension, that will be absorbed by the this moisture skin. So in such way that respiration takes place. That respiration called as the cutaneous respiration. Respiration when it is happens through the skin, means respiratory organ is the skin, then we can say that is the cutaneous respiration. So here dissolved oxygen in the water is exchanged through the body surface in the form of what in the water principle diffusion. During aestivation, you know that the frogs undergone the aestivation and hibernation, summer sleep and winter sleep, right? In these what do you call, in these conditions the respiration takes place through the skin also, right? Along with that, buccal cavity, you know that the oral or the buccal cavity, when the frog on land, the buccal cavity and skin, lungs act as a respiratory organs. If the buccal cavity, if they are using, we can say that is the buccopharyngeal respiration. You know that the buccal cavity have a covered by the small capillaries, and moreover that is covered by the mucous membrane. It is always moist. Through that, very little portion of oxygen exchange takes place. So that respiration called the buccopharyngeal respiration. When frogs are using lungs, this is the major one when it's on land. In such cases, they are using the lungs. That mode of respiration called as the pulmonary respiration, right? And moreover, along with that, larvae of particular frog we called as a tadpole. Tadpole is a resemblance to the fish. Actually, tadpole lives in water which have a gills. So during the larval stage, the amphibian, which is the frog, has a larva tadpole. The tadpole have a gills. So through the gills it can respire. Which one? The tadpole larvae. So that is called as the gill respiration, called the branchial respiration. So in these animals, branchial respiration is there and cutaneous respiration is there, and moreover the lung pulmonary respiration. So you know that lungs are the paired organs which are elongated, pink in color, sac-like structures present in the thoracic cavity. When air enters through the nostrils into the buccal cavity, then it will reach to the lungs. In the lungs, like a human have a what you call alveoli is there. These alveoli are the very fine and sac-like structures. It is supplied with the number of blood capillaries, so it can easily what you call exchange of gases takes place. I hope you understood this respiratory system in a frog. Whatever respiratory modes are there, skin, if they are using skin, we call it cutaneous respiration. If they are using buccal cavity, buccopharyngeal respiration. If they are using as a lungs as a respiratory organs, we call it as a pulmonary respiration. And larvae of particular frog is the particular tadpole. It has a gills, that is called as a what you call pharyngeal respiration. Thank you.